If you're fortunate enough to have a family member who wants to take over the farm, it's crucial to set them up for success. This means structuring the farm's finances in a way that doesn't burden the next generation with excessive debt. One of the biggest challenges for farming families is ensuring fairness among heirs while also maintaining the viability of the farm. If you have multiple children, but only one is interested in farming, dividing the assets equally may not be practical. The child who stays on the farm should be compensated for their sweat equity, the years of hard work they've put into the operation. This doesn't mean that other heirs should be left out, but it does mean that fairness doesn't always equate to equality. Consider this. If you have 4 children and only one has been working on the farm, giving each child an equal share of the farm could put the on-farm child in an impossible financial situation. They may need to buy out their siblings, which could require taking on a significant amount of debt. This was a common scenario during the farm crisis of the 1980s, and it led to many farms going under because the next generation simply couldn't handle the financial burden. To avoid this, it's important to think about how to structure the inheritance in a way that allows the on-farm child to continue farming without being overwhelmed by debt. One approach is to give the on-farm child credit for their contributions over the years. For example, some families use a rule of thumb where the on-farm child receives an additional percentage of the farm for each year they've worked on it. This recognizes their contributions while still providing for the other heirs.